On the topic of AI in the near future, Andrew Ng believes agentic reasoning will dramatically expand AI capabilities this year. The four design patterns that show the highest potential for world domination are 1. Reflection. Used to improve a model's response by having it reflect on its response. 2. Tool use. Used to expand what the model can do by letting it interface with existing tools. 3. Planning. When a model autonomously makes plans and recovers from failures to accomplish complex multi-step tasks. The coolest and most powerful features are they are autonomous. They plan and execute. They recover from failures, reroute, and finish the task. They accomplish multi-step tasks. There are several different design patterns within the plan and execute category of agents as well. The two that I will talk about are React agents and plan and execute agents. React agents are based on a paper from Princeton and Google Brain. To understand React, we have to understand what came before it. Chain of thought prompting. Prompting the model to provide multi-step reasoning as opposed to just providing the answer. This is having the LLM reason step by step. Because AIs have to show their work too, having the LLM take action. Designing prompts that encourage the model to generate a sequence of actions to solve a given problem. Both are very goal or problem-oriented. One is reasoning about something step by step, while the other is coming up with a sequence of actions to solve a problem. There's some overlap there. The React paper essentially combines these two to get better agents. The intuition behind doing this came from psychology. For example, during cooking, between any two specific actions, we may reason in language in order to track progress. Now that everything is cut, I should heat up the pot of water. So why not use this in AI? The second style of agents we are going to discuss today are plan and execute agents, which are meant to be an improvement on React-style agents, specifically in two areas. 1. React agents tend to make short-sighted decisions. This is because they only look forward once, or in other words, they don't plan ahead. 2. They tend to require an LLM for each tool use. That's the brief overview. So let's dive into the work. First, I created a React agent with chat history and tested with both GPT-4 and 3.5. I got very similar results. However, 3.5 is much cheaper and faster than 4, so now I am seriously considering using 3.5 in my agentic workflows as the default. Another option is using any model served by Grok, a company that's been serving LLM responses lightning fast, but as of right now, they can only serve open source models. As far as the testing goes, it's pretty good. In fact, I'm excited to use it to look up stuff. However, there are some things about the user experience I would love to change. Knowing if a process has stopped or if it's glitched out, auto-scrolling, hiding work steps. Because sometimes, as a user, I don't care. The next agent I created was the plan and execute agent. To reiterate, the core idea is to first come up with a multi-step plan and then go through that plan one item at a time. After accomplishing a particular task, you can then revisit the plan and modify as appropriate. If you notice the loop of React, it goes thought, action, observation, and repeat, which can be sort of short-sighted since it's only doing one step at a time. While plan and execute will come up with the larger strategy first. Also note that we can use the bigger LLM for the strategy step and use the smaller LLM for the execution steps, bringing in a level of flexibility and the best of both worlds. While I did seem to implement this agent upon deeper inspection with Langsmith, I realized they don't seem to be reasoning. They are using the tool, but I can't seem to find the reasoning trace. So, they are somehow getting a result, but without reasoning. Suspicious. I'll have to come back to it tomorrow. Did you know? The way we think about how to make intelligent machines smarter might be thanks in part to Stanford professor Michael Bratman. His 1987 book, Intention, Plans, and Practical Reason, explored how humans plan and reason about actions. This work has become influential in designing artificial intelligence systems that can plan and make decisions. If you've read the book, please let me know how it is in the comments. Till tomorrow, keep experimenting